Welcome to today's class. This is the helpful one here. Of course, I'm super excited to have you in today's video with me. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to achieve this beautiful Regina's birthday flyer. Okay, make sure you watch this video to the end because we'll be gaining massive value. It's value or nothing. Let's get started immediately. Of course, the app we are using is our PixelLab. When you open your PixelLab, this is the default of your PixelLab. The first thing we're going to do is to click on our A icon, click on delete to delete the new text, then click on the background icon here, click on color on the top, pay close attention, scroll by the right. I'm going to select black, then I'll mark this good sign. Good. The next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this center icon here, pay close attention, click on import. I want to bring in the background I'll be using for this design, right? There are different ways you can bring your background into your PixelLab, okay? So I'm going to locate the background. This is the background I want to use for this design. I'm going to mark this good sign. Then I'm going to go ahead and increase it from this small dot here, right? Increase it to cover the canvas, right? Okay. Perfect. This is okay. I'm going to go ahead and maybe you can decide to copy this, then delete the old one, then position this well. Okay, this is perfect. I'm going to click on this icon below the three dots, then click on this padlock icon. Click on that same icon below the three dots to go back. Okay, then tap on any part of your screen to go back to normal. I'm going to click on import. Let me bring in the design so that you'll be looking at it and be very fast, okay? So this is the design, beautiful one indeed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on import and bring in my pictures, okay? So this is the first picture we've been using. I'm just going to from here crop it just small. Crop out this unnecessary white spaces just small. Make sure you don't cut any part of our cloth too, okay? Just small. Then mark this good sign. This is it here. So I'm going to go ahead and increase it. Of course, immediately you increase it, you know what to do. Copy it and delete the old one. So I'm going to position this here. Right. Then go to relative position. Position it at the center. Okay. So let's see if it's not at the center the way I want. I'm just going to use my hand and move it the way I want it, okay? Okay, good. The next I'm going to do is to click on shape. Watch me closely. Still here, go down, click on gradient. Pay close attention now. Then I'm going to select this transparent white that I have here but of course, you may not know how I get this. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and select this default white and black. It's on your phone, on your gradient. I'm going to go ahead and select it. Still on that same place, don't go out. Click on this plus icon. Select this black part. You will see we have black and white part. Immediately you select the black part, it will be showing one yellow stuff on the down part. Immediately you select it. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this last icon here. Pay close attention. Then you will see these three lines. The last one, move it to the end like this. It will be completely transparent, right? Then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Then click OK again. Then we have something like this. Mark this good sign, then drag this like this. Reduce it a bit. I'm going to position it here. Hope you are seeing it. I'm going to scroll by the right, click on color, enable. I'm not using this red. I want to use black. Scroll by the right, select black, then mark this good sign. The reason why I'm putting this shadow is to cover this edge, right? And apart from that, it will add color to our design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy, bring it down again, click on copy again, bring it down. Hope you are seeing it. The edges of this picture have been successfully covered, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it, both the picture and the background. Click on this icon below the three dots, then lock all of them. Click on the padlock icon to lock all, okay? Then click on that same icon and go back. We are making progress. The next thing I'm going to do is to bring in our second picture. I'm going to go ahead and click on import. Okay, I will locate where the picture is. So this is the picture, the second one, right? I'm going to mark this good sign. So this is it here. But I don't want it to be in front. I want it to be at the back of this first picture. I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon below the three dots. Then press hold on this dot. These four dots at the left hand. Press hold it, right? Then drag it to the back of that my picture. Remember, if you drag it to the back of your background, you will not see it again. Make sure it's at the back of the picture only. Then click on that same icon to go back again. Of course, I don't want it to be very obvious. I want the opacity to be reduced. I'm going to still selecting that picture. I'm going to scroll by the right. You will see opacity. I'm going to click on opacity. Then I'm going to go ahead and reduce it. Hope you are seeing it. Let's do 30 and see. 30, no. Let's do 20. Let's see how it's going to look. Okay. I think this 20 is okay. Maybe we can increase it just more. Let's see. Don't want it to be too obvious. Let's leave it at 20. I'm going to go ahead and copy it again. Then I'm going to bring it to this end, right? Then I'm going to click on this icon below the three dots. Press all these three dots and move it to the back of the first picture again. Good. And then I'm going to arrange it to be the way I want it to be. Okay? I'm going to arrange it. The ones that I reduce the opacity, I want the head to be in the same line. I want them to be on the same line. You pay close attention to all these details when you are doing your design. Okay? I'm going to position this here. This. Hope you are seeing it. This is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and lock it. Okay, click on this icon below the three dots. Then lock the two pictures. Right? Click on that same icon to go back. Okay, I think I moved this too far. I'll bring it back. Okay, so what's the next thing we're going to do now? So let's type in our happy birthday. I'm going to click on my A icon, click on text, click on edit. Then I'm going to type happy, then bring down happy, then bring it down, then type my birthday. Okay, I'm going to bring it here, then increase it. Scroll by the right. I will go to font. I'm going to select the font I want now. So we are going to go ahead and select the font I want to use. In my recent, let me show you the font I used. Okay, it's no longer there. Let me get font. Okay, I've already sent us a video on how to download font into your PixelLab. Okay, in case among the people in my free class, check the video out. The link is on the group. If you're watching on my YouTube channel, the link is the video is on my YouTube channel on how to download font into your PixelLab. The font we'll be using today is called this Pepsi PL. Okay, I'm going to click on it, then click OK. This is what we have. I don't want this to be like this. I want it to be center aligned. Watch and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll by the right, click on align, then select the center one. Hope you are seeing it. I'll mark this good sign, then position this here. We are almost done. I'm going to click on my text again, click on edit, and then write Mercy Chinwo blessed. Mercy Chinwo blessed. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to bring this down here. I will scroll by the right again and then go to font. Let me select the font I will be using for this. Let me look for a simple font. Okay. This Arsenical trial seems as if it's too tiny, but let me see what I can do to it. Look at the one I selected, Arsenical trial. I'm going to click OK. Then go ahead and reduce it small. Hope you are seeing it. But I'm not done. I want it to be more bold. I'm going to scroll by the right. Watch and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on style. Okay, so still here, I'm going to click on this B. This B is for bold. Hope you are seeing the difference. If you want to cancel it out, cancel it from here. If you want it to be bold, click on this B. Hope you are seeing it. This is beautiful. I'll mark this good sign. The next thing, I'm going to click on this center icon here. Click on shape. Still on this reduce, I'm going to drag it to the end. Then I'm going to go ahead and reduce this like this. Then I'll mark this good sign. I'm going to keep this here. then copy it again, increase it just a bit, bring it here. But this time around, I'm going to go to color, enable. I want to pick the red from her clothes. I'm going to go down, click on this plus icon, click on this speaker, the first one on the top right hand. Okay, then select her clothes and pick the color from her clothes. Then mark this good sign. Click OK. Okay, but this one seems to be too dark. This seems to be too dark, right? So I'm going to click on this plus icon again, click on the picker, then look for a brighter color from the clothes. Okay, let's see. I think I just saw something. Yes, I've seen something bright. Perfect. This is okay. I'm going to mark this good sign, click on this icon below the three dots, then I'm going to drag this second circle to the back of the other one, right? Then click on that same icon to go back. So we have something like this. Then we use our hand and position that first circle, which is the white one, to the center of the second one, which is the red. Position it very well and ensure the white one is at the exact center of the red one. Very important, right? Perfect. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this messaging blessed, click on my A icon, click on copy, click on edit, then write in her birthday date, which is 5th September, right? I'm going to click OK. Bring this here. Now I want to show you something. I will go to color. I can set to choose this black color. But if you look at this font, you see that this font does not support number. It's a normal thing. There are some fonts you cannot use to write numbers, right? Instead of 5th, it's giving us something like circle. I'm going to mark this good sign. Then I'm going to go to font, right? Can decide to choose a completely different font from the one we use for messaging blessed, right? Okay. Can decide to select any font. Can even decide to use the one we use for the happy birthday. Click OK. Then bring it here. Hope you are seeing it. We are using the one we use for that happy birthday. Finally, click on this center icon. Click on import. Let's bring in some things and use and do some decoration. Make it more beautiful. Let's bring in some elements. These are the things I mean by elements of design. Right? I explained it in the class yesterday. Elements of design. Those things that when you look at a design, you see them, right? You see shape there, you see lines, and a whole lot of them. I'm going to copy this one, rotate it. I'm rotating it because it seems as if the other part was cut out, and I don't want it to be showing in my design that part was cut out. So I'm going to position this like this, right? Then the final one, I'm going to bring in the final element, which is the flower, right? I'm going to click on it. I don't want to put all of them. Some from here, I'm going to crop it. Now, if you're doing this crop, I want you to be very careful. Make sure you don't crop it that it becomes too obvious that your flower is cut out, right? Be very strategic in your cropping, as you can see I just did now. I'm going to mark this good sign. Okay, can just position this here, copy it again, bring it somewhere here. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Are you not see what I'm seeing? I can decide to move this my background up a bit. That effect, that cloud effect on the background, I want it to go up more. So click on this icon below the three dots, select the background, right? Click on that same icon to go back. Then scroll by the right, click on position, and then move it up a bit. If you are moving your own, please ensure that the edges are not showing. So make it to be big enough, okay? So I'm going to move this. I think this is perfect like this, okay? I'm going to mark this good sign. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the old design so we can save our work immediately. This is absolutely beautiful, right? In fact, I believe you have gained value in this class. Just go ahead and subscribe. If you are watching this video, you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. You're not paying for it. Just hit the subscribe button, right? Hit the like button so that more people can see this video and learn from it. And also do well to drop massive value on the comment section, right? We are not done yet, of course. We have to edit this to make it pop more, right? Good. So let me put this well. So we're gonna go ahead and save it now, then move to the editing part. So click on this icon here. Remember to save as project in case you want to make any corrections. Then click on save as image. I'm going to click on this default. You can select custom or ultra. I'm going to let's use custom at this moment. Then I'm going to click on save to gallery. Then we'll move to the editing immediately. So for our editing, we're using Snapseed. Oh, this one I did before. So I'm going to click on open. I'm going to bring in the new one. So wait for it to let it load. So immediately you bring it in. The next thing we're going to do is to click on tools, right? We are going to click on details. This one does not need too much editing. Now I want you to pay attention. I know that as a graphic designer, one of the things that determines how your design will come out is your picture. So know the kind of picture you use in your design. Very, very important. Okay. Still on that details, I'm going to come to structure and increase it. Hope you are seeing it. It's coming out more. Come to sharpening and increase it. This is beautiful. My God. Yeah. I'm going to mark this good sign. So this is the before. This is the after. This is beautiful. Okay, we're going to go ahead and export. Save to gallery. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.